Namaskar. What you eat is important. Most eat without thinking, mixing wrong foods, drinking cold drinks with hot meals, rushing through lunch at your desk, and then you wonder why we feel heavy, bloated, or tired. Ayurveda teaches that when you eat with alignment with your digestive fire, your Agni, even simple foods become healing. So today, let's look at 7 Ayurvedic principles which we all should know. In just 7 days, these timeless principles can reset your system and bring you back to balance. But first, let's understand the doshas a little. In Ayurveda, the doshas are 3. The fundamental bioenergy that governs your physical, mental, and emotional characteristic. This is how your doshas affect your digestions. Vata tends to be light and irregular. People with dominant Vata may feel bloated, have gases, and sometimes forget to feel even hungry. Warm, moist, and grounding food like soup, khichdi, cooked vegetables, and ghee helps stabilize their digestion. Next comes Pitta, which is usually strong, turned sharp, and overactive. People with Pitta imbalance may experience acidity, heartburn, or loose motion if the fire becomes too intense. Cooling, mildly spiced food like lauki sabzi, moong dal, coconut water, and fresh coriander helps keep their digestion in balance. Third is Kapha, which is slow and steady but can easily become sluggish. They may feel heavy after meals and struggle with slow metabolism. Light, warm, and stimulating foods like ginger tea, steamed vegetables, millets, and spices like black pepper or ajwain help keep things moving. When you eat according to your digestive type, you work with your body, not against it. Now that you have understood dosha system, let's see 7 broad Ayurvedic principles for eating food. Avoid incompatible food combinations of foods or viruddha ahar. Ayurveda has long warned us about certain food combinations that disturbs digestion and create toxins or harm in the body. For example, don't pair hot dishes with cold sides like hot soup followed by cold ice cream or salad. The sudden temperature change confuses your digestive fire. Avoid combining dairy with citrus fruits like milk with orange or curd with sour fruits. The acid and dairy react to it. Don't follow heavy, oily meals like biryani with rich desserts like gulab jamun. Your digestive system gets overloaded trying to break everything down at once. When you avoid these incompatible combinations, you allow your digestion to work smoothly and prevent the buildup of toxins. The second principle is use spices and good fats to nourish your digestive fire. Ayurveda recommends adding a little spice and healthy fat to every meal to support digestion. Spices like ginger, cumin, black pepper, ajwain, fennel, coriander, cinnamon, and cardamom help activate your digestive fire and prevent bloating, gas, or heaviness. For example, add a spoon of ghee to dal, khichdi, or roti, or even sabzis. Sprinkle roasted jeera powder or ajwain on your buttermilk or cooked vegetables. Add cardamom or cinnamon to your warm milk or herbal tea after meals. Use ginger in your dal tadka or morning warm water. These simple additions keep your digestion steady and your gut happy. The third principle is choose warm, fresh, cooked food. Ayurveda always recommends that your food should be fresh, warm, and recently prepared. Food that's been refrigerated, reheated, or frozen loses its prana, its life energy, and becomes heavy and hard to digest. Warm, freshly cooked meals ignite digestion, nourish your tissues, and keep the body light and energetic. And Ayurveda also recommends that you avoid cold, frizzy drinks and alcohol beverages. Frizzy drinks bloat the stomach, create gas, or destabilize your Agni or digestive fire. And Ayurveda sees alcohol as a powerful disruptor which can damage gut flora and weaken immunity for weeks. In simple words, try to eat meals that feel alive, not lifeless. The next principle is eat at the right speed. Na ati drutam, na ati bilambitam. This is not too fast or not too slow. The pace at which you eat directly affects your digestion. Don't rush through your meals as if it's a task to be completed. And don't drag it endlessly either. Eat at steady, calm pace and ideally finish before your food cools. This helps your body digest the food while it is still warm and active without overwhelming or confusing digestive process. The next principle is sync your meals with your digestive fire. Your digestion is strongest at midday when the sun is highest. This is when you should eat your main heaviest meal. In contrast, dinner should be light and eaten early, ideally before sunset or at least 2 hours before bedtime. After eating, rest gently. Don't immediately lie down or jump to stressful work. A short walk or quiet sitting is perfect. This allows your body to process the meal without strain. The next principle is to balance all the 6 tastes in your meal. This means your meal should consist of all 6 tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, and astringent. Ayurveda believes that when all 6 tastes are combined in a meal, digestion, absorption, nourishment, and elimination are optimized in your body. And the last principle is hydrate properly. Many of the digestive problems you face are the result of dehydration. So be mindful of having 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. But another important thing to remember is don't drink water during meals. If you want to improve your digestion, then have a glass of warm jeera water 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after your meals. This simple habit prevents bloating, keeps enzymes active, and supports your gut health. Now, what happens after 7 days if you follow these 7 principles, even for 1 week? Here is what you will begin to notice. The first thing is your digestion will feel stronger and smoother, would be reduced. Bloating, acidity, gas would be reduced. Third, you will feel lighter with more steady energy throughout the day. Then your skin will also start to glow. Very important benefit is that it will strengthen your immunity. Even studies show that eating according to Ayurvedic principles boosts your immunity level. Another big benefit of good digestion is that your sleep quality improves, and most importantly, you will feel balanced physically, mentally, and emotionally. The beauty of Ayurveda is that it doesn't ask you to count calories or follow complicated charts. It simply asks you to listen to your body's natural intelligence. So start with these 7 principles. Let your body guide you, and in just 7 days, see how your body starts to shift. Because when you eat according to nature, nature starts working for you. Namaskar.